Hi guys, welcome back po to the channel, and for today's video we will test Yendra's skills in mathematics. Yendra is graduating in kindergarten, and she is just 6 years old, last March 14. And Yendra will answer 5 questions today.
Oh my God.
Okay, ito mga sinulat ko dito, dapat memorize nyo ito. Ayan o.
Oh my
10 times 2, 2 times 5, 10 divided 2, 3 times 3, and 3 plus 3. Okay? Ready? Okay. So, tingnan natin ha. Dapat mabilis siya. Okay, Yendra, what do you want? Times, divide, or plus?
Times.
Times, okay. So, hindi ko na ito itatanong kasi baka sabihin nyo nandaya siya. Okay, times tayo, times. 5 times 1.
5 times 1. Then 5.
Good job! Very good. 2 times 3.
2 times 3 then 6.
Good job. 5 times 2.
5 times 10.
10. Good job. Good job. Mababa lang tayo ngayon kasi kinder lang to eh. Kinder lang to eh. So, for kinder only. How about 5 times 3?
5 times then 15.
Good job, Yendra. Sabi. Very good. Divide naman tayo, divide.
I know I'm scared. Divide.
9 divide 3.
9 divide 3. 9. I didn't know that. I don't
You don't
know.
know? Or how about times?
Times, yes.
3 times 3.
3 times 3 equals 6.
Times po, not plus.
I mean 9.
9, good job. 9 divide 3.
9 divide 3 is 3.
Oh! Oh, isa lang ang mali ni Yendra. Isa lang ang mali niya. 5 plus 5 plus add.
5 plus 5 add. I know 5 plus 5.
5 plus 5, what's that?
Then 10.
Good job, Yendra. So Yendra will become a good mathematician in the future. But what do you want? Mathematician or doctor?
Mathematician.
What do you want? Doctor? Medical doctor? Or what? Or a mathematics teacher?
Mathematics teacher.
Let's see, be. 10 times 10.
10 times 10. 20!
10 times 10, 20?
100.
Ah, 100.
I prank you!
So, thank you guys for your watching. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel because we want to have our channel to get 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So, thank you so much for your effort and for your time. Nung ako ay bata pa, medyo advanced itong mga bata ngayon kasi syempre, okay? Alright, so thank you very much and see you again. Magmamat tayo ulit.
Bye.